The Tamar project is organized around a symbolic emblem, which is the trading junk arriving at the Hong Kong harbor. I think what is important is that the site, the Tamar site, was the original harbor of Hong Kong, and the vitality and energy of Hong Kong really emanates from the very, very center. And therefore the project takes on the spatial character of the trading junk ship with its two sails, the government headquarters on one hand and the legislative council on the other. Those are the two sails which really represent the great functions of government. And of course in front of them is the wheelhouse, the rudder really that steers that ship towards progressively better waters.
The pictograph of the junk trading boat, the ancient Chinese pictograph, was really the inspiration of the project itself.
新總部流線外形有助減低屏風效應，令附近商業區嘅空氣更流通。整個規劃爭取最多綠化空間，建成一條世界級嘅海濱長廊。規劃四通八達，連接金鐘地鐵站，直達中環線及待建中嘅沙中線。與地鐵站連接嘅行人走廊可以直達新政府總部辦公室大堂，方便市民使用政府服務。司長及各政策局長辦公室均位於新政府辦公大樓頂部，中庭聯繫各辦公室，提供一個更有效率嘅工作環境。特首辦位於總部中央部分，大樓旁建有供市民觀賞現代中式禮儀池。新政府總部前面嘅廣場為接待貴賓及舉辦大型節慶活動嘅理想場地。立法會辦公大樓前方為一個呈珍珠形狀嘅會議廳，突出立法會及司法獨立嘅形象。珍珠形狀嘅主會議廳內設有公眾議會席，讓市民自由參與立法局議會過程。主會議廳旁為宴會廳，方便舉辦各種儀式及宴會。公共休息空間佔整個規劃一半以上嘅面積，讓市民隨意享用，並種植許多本地品種嘅樹木，包括香港名字由來嘅牙香樹及香港市花洋紫荊。配合政府籌建中嘅維港海濱長廊，為繁忙嘅商業區提供一個龐大嘅綠化空間。規劃中更建議喺總部大樓前興建一個空中迴廊，預留多達3條行人天橋路線接近維港。配合海濱長廊嘅人造沙灘、海天劇場、海洋主題嘅休息設施，燈光效果將成為世界級嘅海濱區。中華建築禮頓有嚟聯營，悉心設計嘅新政府總部將成為一座能代表香港獨立文化及歷史背景嘅新地標。